Alrighty, so everyone, I'm gonna do this video in full English, mostly because I'm honestly not really aware if Portuguese people are even using this smartphone anymore. So this is a Oneplus One from the Chinese company Oneplus. I bought it back when Oneplus only accepted new buyers via an invite. So yeah, if you wanted to buy this smartphone at one point, you had to have an invite, and I actually got it with an invite. So that's awesome. By the way, if you haven't noticed by my voice, I'm sick. I'm terribly sick. So that's one of the main reasons why I haven't really been doing anything for my channel. But here I am, because the smartphone got into sort of an accident. So I was walking home with my wife, and suddenly started raining, and suddenly there was hail, and all hell broke loose. And well, excuse me, my smartphone got water on the USB port, and yeah, still smells like burned rubber or burned chips. So yeah, the smartphone is fine, it's working fine, but I cannot charge it. Basically, that's the issue. So since I cannot bring myself to buying a new smartphone just like that, actually I want to buy a new one, but I cannot justify buying another one when this one works perfectly fine. So I decided to try and fix it. So that's what this video is all about. So here comes yet another Chinese package, which came very weirdly packaged, so to speak. For some reason they decided to use this whitey thingy phone that I totally forgot the English name for it, but well, whatever. So let's see what's inside. And please do not worry if I start having like issues breathing or something like that. I do have asthma, so I'm kind of used to it. It's not like I'm gonna die, though sometimes I feel like I am dying, but that's another story altogether, so don't worry too much about it, please. No, yeah, come on. I think that's it. No, halfway. I think this is the last one. Yeah. So by the way, if you like my knife, my multi-tool, it's a Gunzo. So it's written in there, Gunzo. Really cheap, like 20 euros or something like that. It has like 4 years under its belt. So yeah, maybe I should do a long-term review of it as well. The black does come off, but yeah, other than that, sturdy as hell. Right, now that the publicity has ended, here you go. Here's the USB ribbon cable that burned. Oh my god, so light. So yeah, I need to replace this from my Oneplus. That Kikiro, come on. So that should be fairly easy, I would hope. Expect. Shit. Do I have the right cable? Nah, I do. Oh, god, that gave me a scare right now. Basically, you just pry open near the USB port, you lift it up with your finger, it will unclick. Oh my god, I need to wash that off. It's full of gunk inside. Well, it is a smartphone from 2014. And then you just use a plastic card or something like that. You pry it open and you go all the way. Ooh. Please try to be a bit more careful than me. Oh yeah, you need to remove your SIM card. Shit. So grab a paper clip or something like that, and it should just pop out. As you can see, if you have a fairly modern smartphone or an iPhone or something like that, this should be standard procedure by now. So you just, oh god, now I'm losing my breath. God. So you just keep prying this thing around and around, just finish going all over, and it pries loose. So yeah, if I had another cover, I could just replace it without much issue. So here's the problem: you need a specific kind of screw. These are Phillips 0, from what I remember reading. Really? I'm working here. And to remove these, I really should have checked my tools beforehand, but well, alas. Wait, this works. Let's see if I can unscrew this. If not, I need another tool. Not this one. Aha! Okay, so I think I can actually unscrew it. There you go. Okay. So, pro tip. This is actually quite important. These are mostly the same screws from what I remember, but I always do this whether I'm unscrewing something or other. Okay, so I try to replicate the position of the screws where I'm placing them. So I got this one from here, so I will place it here. I will take this one out from here and I will place it here. So then when I'm putting everything back together, it's a fairly simple process of just putting things back where they were. Okay, I advise you to do something of the sort, though of course you can use your own method. This one has served me rather well, so it's up to you. So pretty sure you cannot see this, but there are these little rubber covers here, and two back here, down here I guess, and you need to remove those as well. So let's see if I can do something with this and try to get it out. There we go, got one. So yeah, in case of doubt, use force. If force doesn't fix it, clearly you did not use enough force. There we go. Right, let's go back to the unscrewing shit part. So here we are. Let's try and get this open now. Let's see if it comes off without much stress. There we go. Yeah, just need to pry it open. Not that much force needed. Just need to pry it over the correct place. There we go. Have I missed anything? I don't think so. Nope, all good. There we go. There's the camera. There's a lot of stuff actually. So these are the contacts that I will have to remove. I will have to remove the battery as well. How am I going to remove this? Okay, so if you want to remove the bottom part, just press here. Well, stick it in there, I guess, and just wedge it loose. Come on, where is it? There we go, and that's it. Yeah, I need to give these a cleaning. I need to clean them, I mean. Right, so I've already did this procedure, well, half of it, some time ago. So I've already removed some of the, let's say, adhesive that it has, so it's not that strong anymore. But most of the adhesive is over on this side, so you can pry the battery over here in it. Then you just start cutting it like with these kind of motions. Just try and cut the glue off of it, but it will look easy-ish while I'm doing it, mostly because I've already removed most of the glue, so don't expect that to be standard, otherwise you'll be gravely disappointed. So right now I'm just pushing the card against the glue to try and remove it a bit. Yeah, I'll just remove the connector from the battery before I break something that I should not break. There we go. Come on. Come on. Not sure if you can see the adhesive in there, but it's freaking strong, man, really. Here I was saying that I had already removed most of it. Clearly I had not. Jeez. Okay, there we go. Battery is off. That's actually not that bad. Let's see if I can remove some of this. There we go. Okay, so this is the ribbon cable that I want to replace. So let me get this in here. So it will be something like this. New cable, yeah. So exciting! I'm gonna have my smartphone back. Yay! Assuming it's been assuming it's the only thing that actually broke. But I mean, the smartphone did work after. Well, it worked until it ran out of battery, basically. There we go. So now there is some glue in this. So, and there's also this little thing that I want to remove. It's a it's not glue, it's just a strip that appears to have glue on it. I believe it's here to hold the cables down. Not really sure it's needed, but well, alas, I will keep using it for what I'd like to believe to be obvious reasons. I also like the fact that my smartphone has a 6 written inside. I have no idea why, but thank you for customizing, I'd say, my smartphone. I mean, you can actually see that this is one of the first generations because it still says cyanogen on it. So yeah, love them or hate them, they did good work back in the day. Alrighty, here we go. The piece that I assume to be at fault. Holy crap! Yeah, it's burned. Holy sh! Yep. I'm gonna try to take close-ups of this for all you curious people out there. Right, as you can see, those two contacts burned, and this one is not looking any better. And well, last one. Oh crap. Jesus, man, it smells. Okay, so let's try and be very careful with this. I do not have another. I really should have bought like 10 of them, but oh well. Let's see now. So just drop it in here. Like this. Really? I also noticed that the PCB is of another color. Different PCBs, huh? Holy crap, yeah, it's all burned in there. Holy crap. So what? Yeah, this is BF1433 and this is BF1418. So I literally have no idea what this means, but well, as long as it works, I really do not care. And now I have a cat in my lap. If you're not aware, doing dexterous jobs with a cat in your lap increases your dexterity by like 100. And if you play RPGs, you know exactly what I'm talking about. If you don't, well, shame on you then. Shame on you. You should. They're very fun. Okay, so just lay the ribbon flat and connect the connectors. For some reason it feels like it was made with 1 extra millimeter for some reason. Well, I will bet on the battery putting everything back in its place, since it is glued in there. So good. Stay there. Fairly certain that the all plugs are in their correct places. Yeah, God. Let's see. Come on, get in there. Just you have to gently, might I add, just force it down. That's basically what you have to do. Let's finish putting most of the important stuff. Well, actually, maybe I could think about replacing the camera module. Perhaps. I don't know. I guess I'll just Google around and see if it's worth it. It's probably not worth it. But well. Okay. So battery is connected. New charging cable. Here we go. Oh, can you see it? Yeah, let's see if it works. Fuck yeah! I have a smartphone. I have a smartphone. Yeah! And it's charging. Oh, poor thing. 0%. Come on. I'll put you charging back. I'll get you charging in a second. Don't you worry, you. I have a smartphone. I have a smartphone. Right, so shit. I messed. No, I did not. All is good. Everything is good. No issues. So now you just screw everything back together. And since you followed my instructions, you will have on your right side a full set of organized screws that you can just screw back without actually having to think where they should go. So yeah, here's the fun part. This was so easy that now I'm thinking about what else I can replace from my smartphone. Too bad I cannot replace the micro USB port. Did you know that the micro USB port only has 5 ports, 5 contacts? So that's one for the plus, the minus, polarity and stuff. and then you have data and something else. Basically, it's pretty much a shrinked USB 2 type 2 port. It's really easy. But did you know that a type C port has 24 contacts? 24. Holy crap. I literally have no idea how I would go about into replacing this USB port into a type C. I have no idea. They're mostly the same size, but damn, 5 to 4 to 24? Jesus. Yeah, fun fact, sorry. I like technology. Shut up. Leave me alone. Last stretch. Oh, we're almost home free. Let's see if these want to go back in. And it's done. The only thing left is to pop the back cover back in, and well, it's basically complete. The only thing left is to replace the battery, which I already have. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe.